Look no further than the 2024 Chevrolet Silverado HD. The all-new Silverado delivers smart technology, advanced safety features, improvements in bed and cargo design, and a refined level of comfort. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, premium sound system, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, Wi-Fi hotspot, alarm, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, intermittent wipers. Bigger isn't always better, unless you're talking about power and cargo capacity. Don't miss the chance to test drive the all-new Silverado.